I'm going to show you how to set up an American Studies folder for your Google Drive today. So first, you want to find your Google Drive. If you're not sure where to find it, you can always click on these 9 little dots in a square and this triangle up here that says Drive, click on that. And this is where all of your documents that you've ever worked on, ever used, ever opened will be housed. Over on the left-hand side, you're going to click the New button with this plus sign and hit New Folder. And then name your folder probably American Studies 8 if you want to, and then hit Create. And your folder will pop up over here. If you want to change a color, like I have over here on my other folders, you can change the color of your folder. You can rename it again if you want to, and you can share it with whoever you want. So if you want to share it with me, if you want to share it with your parents, a learning support teacher, anybody, there you can do that. If you right click on the folder, it brings up all of these options.